Rain and thunderstorms, some severe, likely to impact much of northern and eastern Australia this week. Looking at the warnings right now, there aren't any, but we're likely to see multiple days of severe thunderstorm warnings across large parts of northern and eastern Australia. Yesterday and overnight, we saw a band of showers and thunderstorms from the Tennant Creek area all the way through central Queensland and into northern New South Wales. And as we sit this afternoon, rain is continuing through parts of southeast Queensland and northwest New South Wales as well. We did see some heavy falls last night around the Darling Downs and northwest slopes and plains of 50 to 80 millimetres. Even a few isolated 100mm falls fell through here as well. And this is something we could see over multiple days in different areas each day across northern and eastern Australia. But let's look at what's driving all of this. So what you're looking at here is CAPE. So this tells us how much energy is in the atmosphere for when storms do develop. So in these red areas in particular, if we do have storms develop in these areas, we're likely to see severe thunderstorms develop. And that means we could see large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall. Now, while there's very large areas of instability across the country this week, it doesn't mean you're going to get hit every day, everywhere. As with showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons and evening, they will be hit and miss. So one day you'll be hit, the next day, not so much. And that's the pattern that extends right through the week. And as you can see, even by Thursday and Friday, still large areas of energy for any showers and storms. And it does start moving down into parts of South Australia and Victoria as we get into the latter part of the week. Now, let's look at this in more detail. So this afternoon and this evening, we can see widespread showers and storms through eastern Victoria, much of New South Wales, southeast Queensland, and extending through central Queensland into the top end. And that pattern's going to continue as we move in the coming days. And each day, we're likely to see severe thunderstorms pop up in these areas. As we move into the Tuesday, you can see another widespread day of storms through Queensland, New South Wales, and again, possibly through parts of Victoria. Again, severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall possible each day. Another big day Wednesday, and that pattern continues on Thursday. We might start seeing it moving down into parts of South Australia and Victoria. Now, as I mentioned, it is hit and miss, but we are likely to see widespread rainfall from this as we go through the week. So looking at our accumulated rainfall totals for the coming week, we're likely to see widespread 25 to 50 millimetres across much of eastern Australia and also through parts of the top end. But I want to draw your attention to this spotty nature here of the rainfall, and this is because of that hit and miss nature of storms. So it won't hit everywhere every day, but if you are under one of these showers and storms, we are likely to see bursts of heavy rainfall with that. And as you can see here, by Friday the night, Saturday afternoon, we're likely to see widespread 25 to 50 millimetres. Good news for many, except those for harvesting, particularly through parts of southern New South Wales and northern Victoria, where this rainfall could be a little bit of hindrance for those. Otherwise, very welcome rainfall for many areas after what has been a very dry few months. But with those severe thunderstorms around, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media. And also you can track these storms on the radar.